Some demographic consequences about the Columbian Exchange was that it brought many Africans to the Americas. Also, at the same time, it decreased the populations in Africa, especially West Africa. Some environmental consequences of the Columbian Exchange involved the overuse of soil being used for cash crops. Also, the overhunting of beavers and other native animals. Also, the diseases that the Europeans brought over, which killed thousands of Native Americans. Some political consequences of the Columbian Exchange is when the Americas started to bring Africans to the Americas for slave work. When the Africans came, they also brought diseases that killed most of America's population. The Columbian Exchange consisted of Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas. In order to exchange the animals, plants, etc., each continent had to cross the Atlantic Ocean. The people in the Americas moved quickly to the Caribbean, which started the overfarm, overhunt, and overwork of slaves. Trading with other continents affected the environment negatively. During period CE, some political institutions prospered while others didn't. For example, Indians were affected because their bodies weren't as great as the Europeans. Societies during the period CE were greatly affected. For example, when the Europeans brought the diseases, which depopulated many cultures. However, circulating crops and livestock increased the population. Commerce for the Europeans expanded the market reach into colonial sphere, which devised the new economic policy. Philosophy of mercantilism shaped European wealth from the 1500s to the late 1700s. Pathogens affected natural environment by the Europeans bringing deadly bacteria and diseases such as smallpox. This caused the Native Americans to die out because they had no immunity to the diseases or bacteria.